Welcome to Creative Kiddos.
Hey, 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 look here, look. What is this, a paper roll? Don't throw it, no, no, no. Let's make something cute, you know. Roll, roll, paper roll, lonely sitting on the floor. Yellow paper, glue, glue, glue. Magic starts with me and you. Minion, minion, cute, so bright. Yellow body, smile so wide. Pen and pencil jump inside. Minion holder full of pride. Blue, blue pants, paste it down. Minion wears a party gown. Eyes go blink, one or two. Hello friends, how are you? Minion, minion, la la la. From waist to wealth, ta-da-ta-da. Study table, clean and neat. Minion makes my day so sweet. Don't waste things, reuse again. Paper roll can be your friend. Craft and fun, learn and play. Happy kids every day. Minion, minion, clap your hands. DIY fun across the land. Make it, use it, show your art. Smart kids have a crafty heart. Bye-bye, friends. See you soon. Make more crafts this afternoon.